This is Ann Cat.
Say hello to Ann Cat.
And
activity. Oh, he's a cat who knows how to scratch her face. Okay.
That is quite the scratch, Ann Cat.
She's got a new collar. She's just probably like, what is this?
20 minutes of scratching. Holy crap. You done?
Woo! Okay.
So now, Ann Cat playing with a ball.
It's a very well-behaved cat, as you can see. She's giving me the most...
Ann Cat holding a ball.
She gave me the most withering look a minute ago. She's like, what are you doing, Mitchell?
Mitchell.
Oh! She is like, I know they were waiting for me to pounce, and I will not pounce.
Not doing it. This is the perfect cat to have around small children.
And knitting.
And Maggie. Oh yeah, knitting. Well, Ann Cat.
Say goodbye.